Today, I have a special story for you. Do you feel scared when you have to speak in front of people? I understand how you feel. I used to be very afraid of public speaking too, but over time I learned how to face my fear and become more confident. Many people feel nervous about speaking in public, and that's okay. The good news is you can overcome it just like I did. In this video, I will tell you my story, the problems I faced, and how I got better. Let's begin. My name is Anna, and I used to avoid any situation where I had to speak in front of people. Even in the school, when the teacher asked me to read aloud, my heart would beat so fast and my hands would shake. I was so scared of making mistakes or forgetting my words. Last year in April 2024, I had to give a speech at my cousin's wedding. I wanted to say no, but I loved my cousin, so I decided to face my fear head on. The wedding was on a sunny Saturday afternoon in a big, beautiful garden full of colorful flowers: red roses, yellow daisies, and white lilies. There were 50 people there, sitting on white chairs under a big tree, all waiting to hear my speech. I felt so nervous. My heart was beating fast, my voice was shaking, and I forgot my words at first. I thought, what if I make a mistake? But then I remembered some simple tips I learned. First, I took a deep breath to calm down. Then, I looked at my cousin in her white dress and I smiled. I spoke slowly and used simple words. I am so happy for you. You look so beautiful today, and I know you'll have a wonderful life with your husband. I remember when we were kids, we played in this garden together, and now we're here celebrating your special day. After a few minutes, I felt better, and I finished my speech. Everyone clapped and cheered, and I saw my cousin wipe a happy tear from her eye. I was so proud of myself for speaking in front of everyone. After that day, I wanted to get better at public speaking. Here are the tips that helped me. Practice every day. I started speaking in front of a mirror, then with my family. Take deep breaths. Breathing slowly helped me feel calm before speaking. Start small. I practiced with one person, then a small group before speaking to many people. These strategies turned my fear into confidence. Now, I'm not scared to speak in front of others. I even gave a talk at my school last month on May 10th, 2025, and it went so well. This journey taught me something important. Fear is normal, but you can overcome it with practice and courage. Public speaking is like learning English. It gets easier the more you try. I also learned to believe in myself. Even if I make a mistake, it's okay. People care more about your message than your mistakes. Now I want to hear from you. Do you have a fear you want to overcome? Maybe it's public speaking or something else like swimming or trying a new hobby. Use the 5 W's to tell your story. Who was with you? What fear did you face? When did it happen? Where were you? Why did you want to overcome it? For example, last year my friend and I tried swimming in the afternoon. We were at a lake because I wanted to stop being afraid of water. Write your story in the comments below. I'll read them and reply to as many as I can. Sharing your story will help you practice English and inspire others on our channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.